Managing cash flow is crucial to the operation of a successful small business. Remember, effective cash flow management is essential for small business owners' bottom lines. If this is the information that you are really interested in, don't forget to subscribe for notifications in any newly uploaded video, and stay till the end of this video so that you don't miss any important information. So what exactly is cash flow? It's the transferring of money into and out of your company. Businesses typically monitor cash flow on a weekly, monthly, or a quarterly basis. Basically, there are two types of cash flow. The first is positive cash flow, and this happens when the amount of money coming into your business through sales, accounts receivable, etc. exceeds the amount of money that's going out through accounts payable, regular expenses, staff salary, etc. The second is called negative cash flow. This happens when your cash outflow exceeds your cash inflow. This typically signals issues for a company, but there are actions that you can take to address this problem and return to a positive cash flow situation. One of the immediate answers is to reduce business expenses. Small enterprises are typically started by business owners who have a unique goal and a passion that motivates them to hard work, take risks, and have faith in what they're doing. Can you remember Thomas Edison once remarked that invention is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration? Managing a successful small business requires putting time and effort into day-to-day activities. You can have a wonderful concept to fill a market gap or provide customers with new services and be motivated to care about it, but if you don't pay attention to the small elements of the business, including cash flow, you might find a lot of trouble in the future. Today in this video, we'll take a closer look under the covers at one of these essential company details in controlling cash flow. Maintaining the health of your business depends on knowing how much money is coming in and going out, especially for companies that are still young. Keep these concepts in mind wherever you are in your business. Identifying your break-even point is a must. Every small business owner has the thought, when do I start to turn a profit, in their mind. Instead of thinking that, you better decide when you want to break even. This will enable you to concentrate your efforts and give you a starting point in terms of numbers for estimating your near-term cash flow. Place managing cash flow before earnings. Since you need earnings to survive, this may seem counterintuitive. However, if you don't manage your cash flow, you're going to face issues from which an effective quarter might not be able to save you. Maintain order and good management so that you can be prepared for every achievement that comes your way. Secure credit ahead of time. Many small business entrepreneurs put off obtaining loans until they simply must. This could lead to a lot of unneeded stress or even worse. To determine how much money you'll need up front, consult with seasoned business owners in your neighborhood and sector in advance. Consider the situation realistically and make a plan. The majority of small business owners should obtain as much credit as they can, even if they have plenty of cash reserves. Utilize specific financial management software and use a payroll service. Even if you have a tiny business and believe that an easy-to-use spreadsheet will do huge things, it won't. The majority of accounting software in the market now enables you to focus on the details while maintaining a broad view of your finances. There are, of course, plenty of additional benefits that come with using these tools, but employing a specific strategy to manage your cash flow can help you stay organized and on top of your finances. It may be easy to think that you can handle payroll on your own. However, many small business owners have discovered that hiring professionals to handle payroll tax collection may save them a ton of time and improve cash flow. Accounts payable improvements. There are several ways to spend money as well as numerous ways to save money. Small business owners are constantly seeking methods to increase productivity and cut expenses. In addition, they want to examine their billing methods. There are many bank cards that provide cashback bonuses. Depending on how much you spend, even a 1% cashback rate might amount to several $1,000s a month. On the other hand, typically credit cards have higher interest rates, so you should only use them if you know that you'll be able to pay your bills fully. Plan your payments. You're not required to pay in total at once, and you really shouldn't. This is not to mean that you should let any payments fall behind. Rather, to make sure that you have enough cash in hand, think about categorizing the bills into 3 groups. The first is the must-pay category. Payroll, taxes, and rent are examples of expenses that must be covered in order to maintain operations. The second is the important-to-pay category. You may wish to take advantage of any grace periods that exist for utility and insurance payments when they do so. And finally, the last is payment is flexible. Many suppliers and vendors are willing to negotiate a flexible payment schedule. Maintain open lines of communication, be truthful with them, and make your payments on schedule. keeping track of incoming money. Of course, one of the most crucial aspects of running a business is making sure you get paid. The sooner you receive payment, you may expand and invest your company. As a result, it's crucial to set up clear payment conditions in advance and send out your bills on schedule. If you wish to get paid within a month, set your payment terms to 14 days to account for the fact that consumers and other businesses frequently postpone payments. Finally, no matter how big or small your organization is, managing your cash flow is an essential aspect. Many businesses spend money on accounting software to control this cash flow. Thanks for staying to the end of this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and tell us what you think about this video down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.